What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be talking about the block display in CSS and HTML. So what the block display is some elements are not displayed in the same line as the content around them. They're called block level elements. These elements fill the entire width of the page by default, but their width property can also be set. Unless otherwise specified, they are the height necessary to accommodate the contents. Elements that are block level by default include all of the heading elements, the H1 through the H6, the paragraphs, the divs, and the footer. And we can check the complete list on the MDN documentation. But in the example above, all strong elements will be displayed on their own line with no content directly on either side of them, even though their content may not fill the width of the most computer screens. So in the index.html, add a footer element at the bottom of the document, right above the closing body. So put it here, and we'll put a footer. We did put a footer. Did we not put a footer? Yep, there we go. Okay, well, it wanted closing and opening and closing. Nothing changed. That's because the footer element is empty. So add an H3. Add an H3 here. Inside that says, thanks for taking our survey. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. To improve the appearance of the web page, set the height of the footer to 100 pixels. So go to footer and we'll change the height to 100 pixels. There you go. And again, we're gonna go ahead and fix this. Don't worry about it. It looks like this right now, but we're gonna fix it later on. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, that's gonna end it right here. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you've been finding this valuable, and have a fantastic day.